In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit robots.txt on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to view Shopify's default robots file, copy it, and create your own editable version inside your theme so you can make safe, intentional changes. Start by heading to the Shopify website and logging in using the button at the top right. Choose your store to open the Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store to get to your themes area. On your current theme, open the menu with the three dots and choose Preview. This opens your storefront in a new tab, which is handy because we're about to inspect the default robots file. In the browser's address bar for your storefront, add --robots.txt to the end of the URL and press enter. You'll now see the default robots.txt that Shopify automatically generates. This file tells search engine crawlers what they can and can't access. Shopify's default is sensible for most stores, but if you need to fine-tune crawling, like keeping bots away from certain filtered collections or internal search, you'll want an editable copy. Highlight everything on that page and copy it. Keeping the default rules gives you a safe starting point so you're not building from scratch. Go back to your Shopify admin tab. On your theme, open the three-dot menu again and click Edit Code. In the code editor, look for the Templates folder in the sidebar. Right-click Templates and choose New File. Name the file exactly robots.txt.liquid. This special file name tells Shopify to use your custom version instead of the auto-generated one. Open that new robots.txt.liquid file and paste the code you copied earlier. You can now edit the file to match your needs. A few quick tips while you customize: keep the sitemap line intact so search engines can still find your sitemap. Be cautious about blocking critical areas like product pages, collections, or important assets, because over-restricting can hurt indexing and visibility. If you want to note why a rule exists, you can add a comment line starting with a hash symbol to document your reasoning for future you or teammates. And if you're unsure about a directive, lean on the default rather than guessing. Small, targeted adjustments are safer than broad blocks. That's it. You've previewed the default robots.txt, copied it, created robots.txt.liquid in your theme, and pasted the content so it's fully editable. With this setup, you can fine-tune crawler access while keeping Shopify's reliable baseline. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, move carefully with your edits and revisit the file anytime your SEO strategy evolves.